Hello, my name's Jade. I'm part of the Jon Richard team and I'm a qualified yoga instructor. Today we're going to be practicing a breathing exercise that one of my teachers shared with me. We're aiming to cultivate a sense of calm and meditative mood. We're going to try and relax the body, relax the mind, and just to fill that tank up so we've got a little bit more to give, not only to ourselves but to those around us. You don't really need much for this. I'm sat on a yoga mat on a hard floor and I'm going to perch on a yoga block. You can use a hardback book if you don't have any blocks. You can actually sit on a chair for this one. You can lie down if that suits you. I just want you to make sure that you're comfortable so that you can stay here for a little while. It's quite a simple technique and we're going to be breathing in and out through opposite nostrils, which is said to have a calming effect on the nervous system that helps to balance our energies and help to relax the mind. After we've had our breathing exercise, I'll then invite you to lay down or to close your eyes and to just take a few moments just to be with the room around you and hopefully help to cultivate that meditative mindset today. So let's begin. So take your starting position. I should say that I am not used to filming my yoga practice, so I do hope that these instructions make sense and that I am in frame. So take the right hand and place it over the left hand, kind of at your hips. Roll your shoulders up and down away from your ears. Try and feel a nice lengthening in the chest and almost a sense of lifting the heart up towards the sky. If you are sat down, try and notice that connection of the sit bones to the ground. So we're being kind of pulled down to the ground while being lifted up to the sky. Opposing energies here, wanting two things at once. So starting with the right hand side, watch me first and then we'll join together. We're going to take the index finger and the arm and we're going to glide it up on the inhale to be in line with our ear. On the exhale, we're going to bend the arm and bring the finger to rest on the right nostril and we're going to push all our air through our left nostril. And then bring it down. Good. On the exhale, you might notice that your belly button naturally pulls in towards your spine. This is good. Get the left hand ready and we're going to inhale. As we exhale, bring that finger to rest on the same nostril and exhale through the right nostril. Expelling all the air. Inhale. When you reach the top of your stretch, make sure your shoulders are down and away from your ears. As you exhale, bring your finger to rest on the right nostril and exhale all the air out of the body. Arm down, left hand side. Exhale. Don't place your hands to meet each other until you've expelled every last breath. Inhale, let's do the right hand side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. A few rounds of these. I really want you to focus on the inhale and the exhale. As you inhale, you're filling the body with health, vitality, oxygen. And as you exhale, you're wringing out anything you don't need right now. Right hand side, inhale, exhale. Left hand side. keep going. Alternate nostril breathing is an ancient technique used to neutralize the nervous system. Hopefully it can help us to have a more relaxed and balanced experience in body and mind. For me, I find that breathing techniques just help me to sit for longer periods of time. When you think you are comfortable with these movements, I invite you to rest your hands at your hips while your shoulders down away from your ears. Close your eyes if they're not closed already, and take a few breaths. We're just breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. Every so often, if it feels good, we can inhale through the nose and take a sigh. Remember, the inhale is filling us with energy and health, vitality, everything that we need. As we exhale, we're wringing everything that doesn't serve us out of our body and mind. If you want to take a moment to lie on the floor here, cover yourself with a blanket, please do so. If you are ready to start the rest of your day or your evening, open your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your beautiful energy with me. I hope that you have found this exercise useful.